Hello, good evening. Tonight is my interview for Concentrix Influencer Academy. In few minutes, about 9 minutes from now, I'll be having my interview. And wish me luck. Cheers! Alright, hello! Today is the first day of our shooting. I'm one of the lucky one who will be joining the pilot team for Concentrix Influencer Academy. Last night, I cannot sleep. I don't know if this is a mix of excitement or maybe nervous about meeting people and doing this finally, the one I really love. It's going to be a 3-day shoot. Today, it's gonna be our workshop and then our interview. And we will be able to meet 2 of our influencers. And then tomorrow, it's gonna be a full day of shooting and 12 hours a day. So, need to be there on time and be quick. Tara, let's go to Concentrix. Tara! Hello to you and to us with Excel. A while ago, I was with his blog. Now, he's on my blog.
Her blog?
Oo, ang pronouns ko, it. And we have our glam team there. Dapat mataas energy. Mabuhay! Woo! Teka, meron pang isa dito. Gusto magpakilala. Jaren from Cebu.
You're done with your hair and makeup, and I feel that you're very facing the camera.
Not yet. There's no makeup yet. Yes, this is just a set. Set 1, 2, 3. Ano ba? Ikaw ka tao.
Vlog ba yan, Charissa?
Hindi, ano to? Actually, BLOG. Tatype ko mamaya eh. Ano ba, batan to? Bukod sumeko. Meron pa ako hindi napapakilala mamaya, si Madam. Inuupo pa siya sa hukuman. Meron po siya inauguration later. Tapos siya sila BBM pero siya huli. Are here inside. We're practicing for Concentrix Influencer Academy.
Again, my name is Hanica. It's nice to meet you. I'm so happy to be here with all of you. And today I will be talking to you about hosting and public speaking.
It's our day 1 for Concentrix Influencer Academy. We have Jalen. Hi. We have Abby. Hi. We have Excel. Hi. And we have Ivy.
Hi! Oh my God! Natagalan ako ng
So we are on the set of our shoot with Inca, and she taught us a lot of things about voiceover, hosting, public speaking, everything. She's really nice, and she's pretty. We're gonna go for a quick lunch. Hello, Concentrix PH fam. This is B from the Concentrix Influencer Academy. I'm actually reading my script based on JPL Reflect Contour 2.
Well produced in the time that you were given. So well produced. And then the quality was so good. Like, it didn't even sound like you recorded it like through mobile. It sounded like it was in a studio. The production value was high.
In terms of skills, you have a lot of potential. Yeah, I love the fact that you did that voiceover. It was really impressive. Oh, ang galing. So the fact na pwede kang maganon, ibig sabihin marami kang pwedeng gawin. You just have to make sure that you're doing it as B and not as anything else.
So what happens is you lift the brand by lifting yourself. Instead of just lifting the brand alone, you lift together.
Good morning! It's day 2 at wala kaming makeup today. Just, guys, you say hi! So these are the marketing team of Concentrix. Sobrang sipag nila, grabe. Gabi, we finished around 10:30 p.m. And our call time is 6 a.m. today. Boy, artista! Ang creative team ng Concentrix. Oh, kita nyo naman. Gutom na gutom sila today. kaming mga makeup artists. Itutour ko kayo dito sa Concentrix UPA. Actually, si Excel hindi siya makeup artist. Si Not, say hi, Not, to my vlog. And Ate Roman. Ayan, hello, ayan. So, ito yung look natin for today's video. Later, ang aking partner in crime here. Popogi siya later. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we are here at Concentrix. Hashtag your best anywhere. Woo! Yes! Oh, this is our second day. We're not wrapping yet, but this is our last scene for our Concentrix commercial for hashtag your best anywhere. Yeah, so we are here at the rooftop 22nd floor of EXA, right? Our team na sobrang galing at sobrang sipag. Meron tayong drone master. Yes.
Vlog ba to?
Yes.
Ako, ganyan ako. Ganyan pa. Magpasabi ka naman. Uy!
Oh, ayan.
Oh.
Vlog na. Go.
Hi, vlog. Sweet-sweet ako kasi sweet-sweet yung katabi ko.
Pa-sweet yung image niya, pero yung rapper po yan. Mr. Randy.
Hello!
Madam Mayora from Davao. Hello, Excel. Mag-hi ka. I might have an opportunity to vlog. Say hi, Not. Not is the one who made me beautiful today. Not just today, last Monday, Tuesday, and tomorrow.
Mukha na siyang
Oh nga, I thought it's Concentrix I'm promoting. Okay, I'm having a dual branding today. I'm promoting Concentrix and also I'm promoting Sunsilk. Everyone is here. The whole team and marketing team of Concentrix is here. Sir Jerome, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog. Ayan. Take pa kami kasi ang ganda niya, promise. Hello, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bee Bernabe.
Action!
Adulting is hard, but it is growth. And growth equals success. Now you know what kind of feats can help achieve your best anywhere.
Okay, hold! Nice!
Chika, go!
Chika! Ayan! Perfect!
And call time!
Oh, amazing!
Replanting Excel, yes!
Hello, mabuhay! My name is Bee and welcome to the Family Feud! Meron akong guest, Ivy, TikTok superstar. I have a question for you.
Ano yan? Wag lang
Sino ang mas masama? Ang magnanakaw o ang kapatid niyang sinungaling?
May magdadrop na yung mga pwede ba?
Hello, this is our third day of shooting. Alright, so this is the third day. This is my Ariana look, of course, with my partner.
Very beautiful. Ariana.
It's a challenge for me today because they will let me dance. I don't dance, but if you are an influencer, you must do everything.
Oh my God, I don't dance too.
Yeah, he's not dancing, but we're going to do TikTok. So you might watch for that later because we're gonna rock your world. and maybe you thought like how I wish they won't dance anymore. So let's go to the pantry and have some lunch. Finally say goodbye to our photo shoot at Concentrix Influencer Academy. Hashtag your best anywhere. Bye!